My name is Anne McGarvey, and we went to Beaver Log Cabins. We liked what we saw, so we spoke to Trevor and Stephen and we came up with this one. The whole experience was brilliant from start to finish. They seemed very well organised, and it was quite surprising at how quick from one day, based on the foundation, to the following day, and the whole structure itself was up. So we found the experience excellent from start to finish. They just came here, got on with it. Communications was fantastic, and a great bunch of fellas, knew exactly what they were doing. Very easy to deal with, very mannerly. Couldn't say one bad word about them. You know, they were just lovely, all of them. They're really nice fellas to deal with. From start to finish, and even the aftercare, nothing's ever a problem. You know, nothing has ever been a problem. They're exactly how we found them. You know, they're very, very good. The first time we seen the cabin, we were just blown away by it. We couldn't believe, you know, even the size of it compared to how we envisaged, and the finish on the cabin, everything was just like perfection. At 100%, I would recommend Beaver Log Cabins. From, like I say, start to finish, everyone that was involved in the project, perfect. We loved it.